Tahoe boasts a gas V8 5.3 liters/325 engine powering this automatic transmission. Sunroof, power, tilt sliding with express open and close and wind deflector, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode, STD, seats, second row bucket, power release. This Chevrolet Tahoe features the following options. Luxury package includes AS8, power fold third row 60/40 split bench seats, ATH, passive entry system, ATT second row power release 60/40 split folding bench seat, VTM, keyless start, DL3, outside heated power adjustable, power folding mirrors, KA6, heated second row seats, N38, memory power tilt and telescopic steering column, TC2, hands-free liftgate, TEU, fog lamps, UD5, front and rear park assist, UFG, rear cross traffic alert, UKC, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, UVD, heated steering wheel and color key rear fascia trailer hitch closeout. LT preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, liftgate, power, hands-free, jet black, leather appointed seat trim, engine, 5.3 liters Ecotec 3 V8 with active fuel management, direct injection and variable valve timing includes aluminum block construction, 355 horsepower, 265 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 383 pounds-to-foot of torque, 518 Nm, at 4,100 revolutions per minute, STD, blue velvet metallic, audio system, 8 diagonal color touchscreen navigation with Chevrolet infotainment, AM/FM stereo with seek and scan and digital clock, includes Bluetooth streaming audio for music and select phones, voice-activated technology for radio and phone, and shop with the ability to browse, select and install apps to your vehicle. You can customize your content with audio, weather and more, featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability for compatible phone, 5 USB ports and 1 auxiliary jack, wipers, front intermittent, rain sense, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windshield style, acoustic laminated glass. Stop by today. Stop by Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 for a quick visit and a great vehicle.